This dog served in the Civil War. Sallie came to the 11th Pennsylvania Infantry as a puppy and reportedly took part in all their battles, barking furiously at the enemy and refusing to abandon her friends. During the Battle of Gettysburg, Sallie became separated from her regiment. She was later found weak but alive at the scene of the first day's fight. They realized Sallie had been watching over the dead and wounded. Sallie was later killed in the Battle of Hatcher's Run just a few months before the war ended. At Gettysburg, you'll see